Life insurance is a secret ingredient, often overlooked, but absolutely vital. In your family's recipe for security, it's the foundation upon which you build a future free from financial worry, ensuring that even in unforeseen circumstances, your loved ones are shielded. It's not something you think about daily, amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life, but it brings peace of mind, a quiet reassurance that you've taken steps to protect what matters most. Ensuring your loved ones have a safety net, a financial cushion to fall back on during difficult times, if something happens to you. It's about providing stability when they need it most. Many believe life insurance is complicated, filled with confusing terms and endless paperwork, but it's really about finding the right fit, a policy that aligns with your needs and budget, at a fair price. It's about value, not just cost. The price you pay, called a premium, is your investment in future security. Depends on your unique story, your individual circumstances and aspirations, your age, health, and more. These factors help determine the level of risk involved. Insurance companies use these details, this information, to set a price that protects your family, providing them with the financial resources they'll need, and keeps their business running. It's a balance of risk and responsibility. Let's break down why these prices vary, exploring the different factors at play, and why women often pay a bit less, a reflection of certain statistical advantages for this essential protection. It's a key component of responsible financial planning. By the end, you'll understand the basics, the core principles that drive life insurance. No jargon, just a simple recipe for peace of mind. A clear path to securing your family's future. Let's get started. Let's embark on this journey together. Ever wondered what determines the cost of your life insurance? What exactly goes into calculating your life insurance premium? At its core, it's all about risk assessment. Insurance companies are in the business of evaluating how likely it is that they'll need to pay out a claim. One of the primary factors insurance companies consider is your age, your overall health, your lifestyle choices, and, of course, the amount of coverage you're seeking all play a significant role. Generally speaking, younger and healthier people are considered less risky to insure. Think of them like fresh, high-quality ingredients in a recipe. Your past health history, including any pre-existing conditions, your family's medical background, and any hereditary conditions, and even the results of a quick medical exam that you might be asked to take, all help insurers get a clearer picture and better understand your individual risk profile. Your lifestyle choices also significantly matter. Habits like smoking, or working in risky jobs, or even engaging in adventurous hobbies can all contribute to raising your premium. And naturally, the bigger the policy and the more coverage you desire, the higher the cost will be. It's just like ordering a lavish feast instead of a light snack. All of these different factors are carefully mixed together and analyzed to create a personalized insurance quote in your custom premium. Remember, it's not personal, it's simply business, driven by data and statistics. The ultimate goal is to arrive at a fair price for you and to ensure a sustainable and reliable promise from the insurer. That's the basic recipe for understanding your life insurance premium. Why do women often pay less for life insurance than men? The answer is simple. Women, on average, live longer. Insurance companies rely on decades of data showing women outlive men by several years. Longer life means more years paying premiums before a payout is likely, making women a lower risk. Men, statistically, take more risks and have riskier jobs, which raises their premiums. Women also tend to seek preventative health care more often, catching issues early. These trends, not individual choices, shape the pricing. That's why women usually get a better deal. Let's pull back the curtain and look at the numbers that drive insurance pricing. It's a world of statistics, probabilities, and risk assessment. In the US, women's life expectancy is, on average, about 5 years longer than men's. This is a significant factor that influences insurance calculations. That translates to roughly 60 extra premium payments for insurers, based on standard monthly payments. This extended payment period before a payout makes a big difference in the overall cost and risk assessment for the insurance company. For example, a healthy 35-year-old woman might pay $28 a month for a specific policy, while a man of the same age and health profile might pay $35 for the exact same policy. This difference reflects the statistical realities insurers face. Over time, that seemingly small monthly difference adds up significantly, creating a substantial financial impact. Furthermore, men are also statistically more likely to be involved in fatal accidents or engage in other risky behaviors, increasing their risk profile. Actuaries, the professionals who specialize in risk assessment, meticulously use this data to set fair and sustainable prices for insurance policies. Their goal isn't to judge individuals, but rather to balance the books and ensure the financial stability of the insurance company. Ultimately, it's all about probabilities, analyzing vast data sets to predict risk, and not about personal preferences or biases. The result of these calculations is that women, on average, tend to pay less for certain types of insurance. This is because, based on the data, they represent a safer bet for insurers, leading to lower premiums. In the end, it's simply a matter of business math, driven by data and statistical analysis. So why does this matter? Understanding life insurance helps you make smart, loving choices for your family's future. Whether you're a man or a woman, life insurance is a promise to protect those you love. It covers mortgages, education, and peace of mind during tough times. Don't be intimidated. Getting a quote is easier than ever. The best time to buy is now, while you're healthy. Take the first step, research, compare, and secure your family's future. Start your plan for peace of mind today.